There's been a group here, family, friends, working on this little hill, and I don't have any video of what it looked before they really started getting in here and cleaning it out. But you can see all that right there, all those leaves and vines and just junk was all on this hillside. And what we're going to try to do with this hill is what we've been trying to do with a lot of the farm. Find these little kind of little areas, these little pockets that we can do something special with. Obviously, we've cleaned out the creek. We got our lavender going to be going down on the hill, and we've got our asparagus and our 4 varieties of gourmet garlic. And then this little hill here is I don't know what we're going to call it. Raspberry Bluff maybe, or pumpkin patch, something. But this side here had a lot of raspberry bushes. We've got blackberry bushes on the farm that were growing wild. We also have some planted up at the garden area, the little garden. But these are actually raspberries, and they've got that kind of a maroon tint to it, and coupled with this little kind of frosting powder almost that's on it. You can kind of wipe it there. See, it just kind of wipes off. But red with that little frosting on it. And there's a lot of plants, raspberry plants in here. And for the most part, they stop right here near this sycamore tree. There are a few over here, but what we're going to do over here primarily is we've got some pumpkin seeds from last Halloween. The pumpkins were left out and it just kind of over time just kind of collapsed on itself. And we're going to put those here and have a nice little pumpkin patch here. And there will probably be some varmints that we get to feed, wild animals like skunk and possum and raccoons, I assume. I'm not sure if deer would eat the pumpkin or not. Hopefully they'll leave us a few that we can enjoy as well. Some ferns and a nice little interesting rock over here. It has interesting shape, character to it, and I think we're going to transplant some of our ferns on here. Have some sort of nice cascade coming down it. So another little pocket here that we're going to try to do something special with, and hopefully turn this farm here at the Dusty Saddle into a nice little place.